How to fix Snapchat name and content not visible. Hello guys, so first thing you want to do is open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. Now you have to wait a few seconds right here, and after that scroll down until you find Snapchat app. When you click on the Snapchat app into it, it will take you to the app informations page. All what you want to do here is click on this full stop option and then go to the storage right here and click on this clear data and clear cache. Go back, click on data usage and then disable all these options one by one and enable them back again. And the last thing you want to do is go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone and update your Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end.